Hello, Mami Sir. Good day. I am Charlie Lara Pingalawen from Midas, Ukab, Itogon, Benguet, Philippines. I am 28 years old. I am married and I have three children, ages 10, 8, and 2 years old. My height is 148 centimeter, while my weight is 53 kilogram. I am high school graduate. We are 12 in the family and I am the last one. I work here in the Philippines for 3 years, which I serve one couple and two children ages 8 and 5. My duties are to caring the children, doing laundry, wash dishes, cooking, ironing, car washing, and cleaning the house. I want to work in Hong Kong to support my family's needs and at the same time to save for my children's future. Before I will end this introduction about myself, I prepare a song for you. I have two hands, the left and the right. Hold them up high, so clean and bright. Clap them softly, 1, 2, 3. Clean little hands are good to see. Clean little hands are good to see. To my future employer, please choose and hire me as your helper because I am loyal, trustworthy, hardworking, and I promise to do all my duties and my responsibilities. Thank you so much, and I'm looking forward to work with you very soon. Thank you, and God bless.